Hindustan Ki Kasam talks about Ajay Devgan, who was twin. Like, he had a brother who was exactly lookalike, but the other one took to terrorism, and he was a wanted criminal. And the noble fellow, he was with his mom, and he had a girlfriend, Shushmita Sen. And the other terrorist, Ajay, his name was, he had a girlfriend who was Manisha Koirala. And Amitabh Bachchan in this movie has only one arm, and he is the one who actually brings out a lot of good things, and he's the one who actually nabs the terrorist gang. Like, he gives orders basically. So this movie revolves around two brothers who were not known to each other, and once it happened, like the movie Dawn, you can say they got interchanged, and then he started started playing foul, because he thought that now that nobody will be able to recognize him, so he can create more heroic and all that. And Farida Jalal has enacted the role of mom, and later on she came to know that he is the son, and she actually wanted to meet him, but because he had taken a path which he couldn't actually, he was kind of helpless. Once we take these kind of paths which are very arduous, and once you actually surrender yourself to these activities, it's difficult to carry a normal existence, and it's difficult to come back to your normal self. So same thing happened, and even Manisha Koirala, she wanted to desperately get married, but she was in her wedding suit, but she committed suicide once she came to know that he's on a mission. So he is on a mission, and he's a terrorist, and she gave the information to few noblemen who were down to track him. So ultimately he is defeated, but he meets his brother, he meets his mom, and he feels good meeting them, but he actually reached a place where it was point of no return. And Amitabh Bachchan mostly is seen in he's not the main character in the movie, but he comes and gives advices, and he is instrumental in nabbing these. So it's a must watch. Few of the songs are good. 4 stars.